Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make a aura using Aurasma, which is an augmented reality app. Okay, so this is matching a video to a picture, just like you would a QR code, but it's just a little bit more magic. So you want to open the Aurasma app, which is a triple A. And usually when you open it up, you're going to get kind of the bouncing dots. And that just is a camera. It's working just like a video. But we're going to match up a video that we already have on the iPad to the book that's right next to you. So click on the little A that's on the bottom. These are ones that are already stored on the device, so you want to add a new one. And you're going to click on the plus sign that's on the bottom. Okay. These are some of the different videos that are associated with the app, but we again want to add a new one, so click on device, which is on the right hand side. And these are ones that are stored in the cloud. We want to add a new one, and this is the overlay. So you want to think of an overlay as being the video that's being laid on top of a picture or a book. So click on the top right corner where there's a new plus sign. So anytime you're adding something to this app, you want to hit the plus sign.
Okay.
Oh, it's being funny. There we go. All right, hit photo album since it's already stored. If you were recording something live, you would create new. You'd go to your camera.
Right.
Go to videos. And we're going to click on the student read. There you go. And you could play it back right now. We know this is the one we want, so you want to click use. And all it's doing right now is compressing the video. It's just making sure the size and everything is going to work for us. The next step is going to be naming this. So since you can see, I have several videos already saved on this. So we want to name it something that we can recall. So maybe you want to type biography or just bio, since we know he's talking about a biography. And then finish. And again, all we just did is we saved the video that we want to match now onto the cloud. We know we can access it anytime. I'm logged into a special account because I wanted my students' information to be stored on this iPad. I don't want it to be public. So they have to be logged into my account to get it. So just for student safety, that's what I did. You want to scroll to the bottom. I think it's probably towards the bottom where we just saved it. Yep, so he's the last one right there. So we want to click on that. We're choosing that video as the overlay.
Okay.
We hear him, so we want to hit select. And this is where you're actually creating what's going to trigger the video to play. So we want to make sure this book is what's going to trigger the video. So hold the iPad up over the cover of the book, and you'll see on the bottom that there is, I'll try to move it so we don't get so much glare. Towards the bottom there's this little sliding thing that keeps kind of jumping around. And what it's doing is it's looking for a clear picture. If it's in the red, it means that there might be something that's going to be hard to get. Okay? So I'm going to zoom it in just a little bit more to try to get it green. It's a little tricky with our lights. Try holding it back just a little bit. Ooh, I have an idea. No glare on this. There we go. Okay, so click on the camera picture. Perfect. So you want to hit the arrow. I think the next thing it's going to do is ask you, what do you want to name this? Maybe you want to name it JK Bio.
Yes. J. Yep.
And finish, and it should be saved right onto our device. So now, once you have these the bouncing dots again, you're going to try to match it up. There we go. There he is.